What's going on YouTube? It's your boy McGriff back with another video. In today's video, we're going to be doing a review on some lights that we were sent in. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Today's video is sponsored by Auxito lights, LED lights. And we're going to put these on my charger and give y'all an honest review of what it is. So, you know, if you want some of these lights right here, y'all can go ahead and click my link in the description to order you some, and you can type in McGriff, and that is MCGRIFF, McGriff, for your 15% off. And so again, these are LED lights, headlights for your car. They got all type of stuff, you know, like you can get your jump packs, you can get your side markers. They got off-road, all type of vehicles and stuff that y'all may need and stuff like that. It's easy to install. They got the heat resistant fans, off-road, and then it's a quick start and it's high bright. So we can go ahead and install these on my charger. These are 6500K operating light, 50,000 hours. And we'll go ahead and get into it. As y'all see, the packaging is real dope. I like the packaging. Yep, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this right quick. So these are for my 2010 Dodge Charger. Go ahead and open it up. And on a day like this, it's raining, so you'll be able to actually see what's going on, a little dark. Oh man. Y'all check this out. I was just finna buy these gloves just because a lot of people don't know about the gloves, because if you don't have these type of gloves on when you're actually trying to put the head bulbs in, you lose light on your head bulbs. Come with a little packaging, like some little clips or something, so you can like zip tie your stuff to the side, but we're gonna get into that in 1 second. And then here you go right here. The lights end up plugging into it. Just a quick plug and play. Something that I always like, coming with your fans. Packaging looking A1. As you can see it on the lights too. That will be the website that y'all can click on, go to, and like I say, y'all put in the code McGriff, MCGRIFF, to get y'all 15% off, and y'all can look at it for yourself. But I'm gonna go ahead and pull the car in. We're gonna do a quick install, and we're gonna see what it do. Alright, so we're finna bring in the car, get the old light bulbs out, and we're gonna install the new headlights. Alright, so we got the car pulled in. Go ahead and pop this hood. So usually it's not too hard to actually pop these headlights out. Sometimes you have to take off the air filter and stuff like that. And then the other one, you should be able to get right in there and reach your hand in there to actually pull the other light bulbs out. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what I'm talking about. All right, so the light that we're gonna be working on, is outside light, which are the low beam lights. So all we have to do is get our hand all the way over there. And then what you'll do is you end up twisting that light out of there. twist it out. And just disconnecting the old light. Alright, so we got the old lights out, in which I did have some other headlights, but we're not going to talk about these because we're talking about the other ones, okay? So we're just going to set these to the side. Like I said, we got that one out. Now I'm going to go ahead and try to get this one out. This one going to be a little, that one going to be a little tougher because I got to actually probably end up moving this air vent out the way, which shouldn't be too hard either. Because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this bolt out right here. Take the bolt out on my air filter. And then we're just gonna sit the tray. Try to get y'all where y'all can actually see it a little bit. So I'm gonna end up popping this tray out. End up taking that whole tray out. Let me sit y'all over here. Alright, so y'all got a better angle now, so I'm gonna go ahead and, like I say, move this air filter out the way. I already took the other bin out, and we're just gonna reach back here. And this side is wedged up in there pretty good, but all we gotta do is just twist it out just like that, and there we go. We got this one out. All right, and we got it out just like that. So, if you know, this is what your hands and stuff gonna look like. So that's why they try to give you the glove, because you end up touching that light bulb with it, you're gonna end up messing the life up of those new bulbs that you got. So, all right, so we are finna go ahead and get the lights installed. So go ahead and pull them out so y'all can actually see what they actually look like. So here you go right here. All y'all gotta do is just type that in. The link will be in the description. And all you gotta do is go find what you need, put in your making vehicle or your car or truck, SUV or whatever you have. Find out what lights you need, is gonna help you. They got a search engine and everything. Makes it a lot easier to find what you need. And once you ready to check out, just go ahead and put McGriff down for your actual 15% off, so y'all can be riding around with these new LED lights. So I'm gonna go ahead and install these. It comes with everything, but if y'all know, y'all have to go buy you some of this right here from Advanced Auto, Walmart or whatever. All this is just so you won't have that moisture build up inside of that light. So you just put a little bit on this. You can do it really kind of in here, or you can do it on the connection in the car, and it makes it a lot easier. So go ahead and put these on, and we're gonna go ahead and get set up, and then we're gonna put these in. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and rip the pack. And you gotta do it too much. And like I said, all you're doing is putting that little grease around your connector. Just putting it around, just put a little dab on it. Just wipe it off just like that. No, it's hard for y'all to see, but you know what I'm saying, we're working with what we got. So alright, so I got my light bulb. I'm gonna go ahead and sit it right here. Get everything set up. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and throw on the gloves that they end up giving to me with the box, just so you don't actually touch the light. Because you do get a lot of grease build up on your hands when messing with it, so you don't want to actually touch the light with it. All right, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna plug it in. It got you, if you see, let me make sure y'all see that. Hold on, 1 sec. So you can see that it got plus and negative, let you know your power, your negative and your positive. And it's gonna let you know that on here anyway, because you end up plugging in the right way. All right, so what you always want to do is before you actually get it plugged back in, I'm gonna set it, let me set it right here so y'all can see. And before you plug it back in, we want to make sure that it's going to actually cut on before we stick it back in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and reach in the car, cut the lights on, and make sure they work first. So as y'all see, it does work, and these lights are super bright. Oh my God. Never really seen a light that bright. But we gonna see. So let me go and put them in. So that's pretty good. So now all we gotta do is plug it in. And you can see the little ridges that they got on it. All you gotta do is just take it, slide it in there. And it's a good thing that they actually give you that actual extra length, just because it's kind of tight in here. So it'll give you a little room to wiggle. So all I'm gonna do is find out where my light is, my hole. All right, so we got the light actually in there. So I'm gonna go back and cut it back on so y'all can actually see how it looks inside of the house. Yep. So as you have it, LED light installed. And we got this one out so y'all can kind of see the comparison, how bright it is from over here, from over there without the light being in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up the next one and we should be good to go. Yes, sir. All right, so I got y'all set up a little bit better this time. Go ahead. This is a better setup so y'all can actually see. Like I said, all I gotta do is take this grease right here, put it on top of that right there. Just to keep the moisture out of the lights, out of the connection. So you just take that and rub it around. Rub it around, just like that. All right. So I'm gonna grab the other light. There we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the other light. All right, got the other light right here. Go ahead and be careful. Take it, hook it up right here, pop it in. And like I say, before you plug it back in, we always want to make sure they work. So I'm gonna go ahead and just sit it right here for 1 second. Go back inside the car, make sure it comes on. And there we have it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the car. All right, so let me go ahead and get it situated. Take it, Slide it right in that little hole. Now all we gotta do is just find the little click. Just gotta make sure the light is in there correctly, facing forward. It's a little tight little spot, but you can almost feel the little grooves in it. And then slide right in there. Just like that. Alright, so we got it in there. Alright, so we got both headlights installed. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lights back on. And there y'all have it. Both of them installed. Definitely bright headlights. As y'all see, installed LED lights, Auxito lights, and very easy to install. 10 out of 10 so far. And as y'all can see, it didn't take long. So click the link in the description. Put your promo code McGriff, MCGRIFF, to get your 15% off so you can be riding around like McGriff. Appreciate you watching. Catch y'all in the next video. Yes, sir. Lights look pretty good so far. And as y'all can see, we're gonna turn it around so y'all can actually see how bright it is in the garage. I'm gonna cut the light off. You can see, looks pretty good for it to be daytime. Yep, but like I say, y'all gonna hit the link in the description, promo code McGriff, and you can get your lights just like me and ride around just like this. Appreciate y'all watching. Catch y'all next one.